Naiiyak ako. Ang init pa din. Nakakahiya. Oh my God.
As someone who is recently single, good morning! I am going to Taiwan. Ano ba naman yung tonong yun? Charot. I'm going to Taiwan and I'm just booking my Grab ride. It's currently 3:14. Basta. It's currently 3:14 a.m. Tapos, yung flight ko is at 6:45 a.m. which I think it's a good time to leave now. Para at least by 3:45 nandun na ako 3 hours before my flight. And alam ko mabilis lang din to because madaling araw. Wala pang masyadong bumabiyahe. Okay, nakabook na ako. Ang bilis! Okay, so my driver is 4 minutes away. I am going to vlog this whole trip. Actually, let me rephrase that. I am hoping to vlog this whole trip. Praying to God na sana hindi ako makalimot, tamarin, or all the other excuses that you could think of. But I really want to be able to document this properly just so I have this in a video, at least in one video, because it's my second solo trip. It's my second out of the country solo trip. First one was Thailand back in January. Tapos, it is now July. And I am traveling to Taipei. I'm supposedly going to land at around 9 a.m. Wala pa akong breakfast, so I'm hoping Milo will do. Or actually, pwedeng doon na kasi sa airport. Pero, thinking about it now, kailangan kasi 'di ba makalagpas muna ako ng immigration, makalagpas ako ng counters before I'll actually be able to reach the part na may mga nagtitinda ng pagkain. So, I think I am going to drink my Milo and hope to God that it gives me energy and lasts me for at least 2 to 3 hours. I am heading down because on the way na yung Grab dito, 3 minutes na lang. I will vlog when I reach the airport. Again, I'm hoping and praying to God na hindi ako makalimot to vlog all of the moments that I experience in this solo trip. I'm also going to do short clips using my phone. So, parang full-blown content creator yarn. Anyway. Yeah. Okay, I'm going! On the way na ako sa gate ko. Actually, ang bilis lang nung process sa immigration. Halos walang tinanong. I don't even know if I'm audible at this point. Chinarge ko pa yung mic, pero mamaya na. Kakain muna siguro ako. Kasi nagugutom na ako. And it's a bit early pa naman. I'm gonna make it just in time for my 6 a.m. flight. sinuot ko lang yung sunnies ko na bago. Like the whole trip. Kasi lang liwanag Tapos as a person na wala pang tulog, hindi ko talaga kayang tumapat sa araw. Anyway, daan lang ako ng immigration, I think. To present my TDAC, yung required na parang travel card nila. And then after that, I'm thinking of dropping off my luggage sa hotel. Wala akong itinerary for today. And as a type A person, that's weird. Pero I just kind of wanna go with the flow. Today lang naman. Kasi tomorrow, up to the last day, like, I have plans. Gulo ng buhok ko. It's not giving. Naloadan ko na siya. Yun yung napili kong card. Cute actually kasi very Taiwanese. Sorry. Very Taiwanese. Niloadan ko siya ng 700 NTD kasi tinanong ko si Cute. Tinanong ko yung kuya kung ano yung recommended niyang amount. Wait lang, ang ingay. So, yun. Tinanong ko yung kuya kung ano yung recommended niyang amount. Tapos, tinanong niya ako, how many days will I be staying here? Sabi ko, 5. 5 naman talaga. Tas, ang recommended amount niya is 700. Kasi I can use it not just for transportation. So, they basically use this sa convenience stores, sa mga, like, sa mga small shops. Like, loloadan mo lang siya. Tas, it's technically a cash card. So, very convenient. And it's a good way for me to store my cash, I guess. But I'm still keeping my cash. Kasi, a lot of the night markets here, obviously, are cash-based. So, ngayon, yung goal ko is to find the MRT. Kasi I need to get to my hotel via commute. Okay, so we figured it out. Ata. Hopefully tama ako. Pero, I am waiting for the next train. Sabi dito, 10:13 daw dadating yung next train. It's already 10:10. I'm currently at the A12 station sa Terminal 1. Tapos, ang goal is makapunta sa A1 station, which is the Taipei main station. Tapos, from the Taipei main station, exit 3, malapit na dun yung hotel ko. So, like, 3 minutes away. Or maybe it's longer kapag lalakarin. Okay guys, I finally made it out of the Taipei main station. This is what it looks like outside. And sobrang init. Oh my gosh. Buti na lang bumili talaga ako ng shades. Okay, hanapin ko na lang yung hotel ko. As an independent girly, maglalakad lang ako. Sana kayanin ko. Okay, let's go! Okay, so kinunik ko na yung mic ko. Kasi ayoko nang magsalita in public ng malakas. Na-activate yung social anxiety ko. Social anxiety? Totoo ba? Ako ba to? Anyway, nag-decide ako to stop muna saglit sa isang noodle house. Sa area lang din. Same area as my hotel. Hindi pa ako nakakarating doon. I actually still have my luggage here with me. Kasi nagugutom na ako talaga. And so, I ordered, hindi ko actually in-expect na wala palang sabaw to. So, humingi na lang ako ng separate na sabaw. But this is a mixed pork and wonton noodles. Yun ba yung tawag? Hindi ko alam. Basta dry siya, dry noodle siya. Tapos may pork wonton siya. And then may thingy dito. Thingy, parang may sauce sa ibabaw. Tinalasahan ko siya. Lasa siyang peanut. And then, humingi ako ng separate na sabaw. Kasi parang feeling ko kailangan ko ng sabaw. Mainit yung weather dito today. Buti na lang, aircon itong pinagkakainan ko. And feeling ko naman yung walk ko papuntang hotel. So, yung hotel ko actually is just, I don't know, 3-4 minutes away. Since naglakad lang nga ako from the Taipei main station. Super lapit na lang niya. Hello. So, it's currently 3:46 p.m. Nakatulog na ako. Actually, ginol ko talagang makapahinga ng saglit. Kasi, sabi ko nga, di ba wala akong tulog? And I really needed to, like, nap. Is it raining? Maambon ba? Namamalik mata lang ako. Tapos, alam nyo, dito around the area, ang daming sarado. 3 p.m. na eh. Ayan pa, tinan nyo. Kita nyo ba? 3 p.m. na, tapos ang daming sarado. I'm thinking it's probably because Sunday ngayon. Baka wala masyadong nagbubukas dito ng linggo. Tapos yung feels niya, para siyang para siyang pinagandang recto. Habang naglalakad ako, nakita ko na tong Hello Kitty themed na 7-Eleven. So, pasok na rin tayo. Normal na 7-Eleven lang yun. Pero kailangan ko kasi ng payong. Gawa ng medyo umuulan. At least, mapapasok na natin to. Dito na ako sa loob ng 7-Eleven. Cute na ito. Ovaltine. Pero parang gusto ko kasi ng kape. Parang gusto ko ng kape. Or ng tubig. Nakita ko to sa TikTok. Trending daw kasi to. Hirap naman maging content creator, Chels. Itong coffee na to. Apparently, binibili daw to dito sa 7-Eleven ng Taiwan. So, try natin kasi gusto ko nga ng kape. Hey, where are the umbrellas? Thank you. Tingnan ko kasi yung mga tao sa labas, hindi naman sila mga nakapalo. Tingnan nyo. Ayan o. Pero umaambon yan. Isip ko tuloy, bibili ba ako? Bibilin ko ba? Okay, so nabayaran ko na siya. Yes, I bought the umbrella. Sinisip ko mainit nga din naman. Parang kanina, like sobrang naisip ko, bakit naiwan ko yung payong? Kasi ang init. Ayoko umitim. So, feeling ko, goodbye rin naman siya. Ba't ko kasi nakalimutan magdala? Like, ilang beses kong pinaalala yung sa sarili ko. Anyway, nag-stop lang ako saglit because I wanted to taste my coffee. Actually, alam nyo, what if lagay ko na dito yung mic? Kasi it doesn't make sense na hawak-hawak ko to. Yan. Ang pangit. Kaya pala hinahawakan ko kasi ang pangit pa lang yung tignan. Anyway, ito na siya. Hindi ko alam kung paano basahin. I-Google Translate ko na lang. Pero, ASMR. Oh my God, ang sarap. Oh my God, ang sarap. So, parang 275 ml ata siya. Oh no, hindi. 100 ml siya. Tapos 78 calories. I'm not sure, pero usually, di ba, yung first thing that you see sa nutrition facts, calories yun. So, I'm just gonna assume na 78 calories lang to. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Bibili ulit ako nito for sure. For the upcoming days. Baka mag-uwi pa ako. Ang sarap. Hindi ko siya ubusin kagad kasi actually gusto ko rin ng tubig. Medyo naiinis ako sa sarili ko kasi hindi ako masyado nagtutubig today. Anyway, let's go. Tayo na, pumunta sa Rainbow Six. Tapos na siya. Kamukha ko naman, di ba? Di ba ang cute? After so many attempts nung Taipei 101 trend, dito na ako sa loob. Tapos bibili ako ng observatory ticket. Actually, kino-contemplate ko to nung una kung go ba ako kasi technically, it's just city view. Pero, alam mo, nasa Taiwan na rin kasi ako. So, bakit hindi natin puntahan yung mga pinupuntahan ng mga turista? So, yung tickets, finlash ko kanina yung price. One adult is 600 NTD. So, like, mga 900 plus in peso. Pero sabi nga nila, pag nagta-travel ka, wag ka daw magko-convert. Kasi, yung pera mo is technically the country's currency. So, it doesn't matter. Here, it's cheap. Yan. Hi, one adult. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how it looks. I was already expecting the fog, pero actually wala, hindi ma-fog. Thank God. I think I'm gonna cry. Napaka-emotional ko talagang tao. Nakakainis. Wala. Naiiyak ako. Nakakahiya. Oh my God. Ito lang ako saglit. Magpapababa lang muna ako ng emosyon kasi nakakahiya naman kung iiyak ako dito ng ganun-ganun lang. Okay, so feeling ko so ba't ako naiiyak? Wala. Na-overwhelm ako. Maganda siya. Like, hindi ko pa nga na-share, diba? Like, kung anong itsura. Pero, technically, city lights lang naman siya. And this is literally what I see in Manila. But, it's the fact na... I wanna cry. It's the fact na... I'm in Taiwan. And, back when I was a kid, hindi naman specifically Taipei 101, ha? Pero, I remember back when I was a kid, nihiling ko lang yung mga ganitong bagay.
to be able to travel the world, take lots of pictures and videos. Tapos ngayon, nandito ako. Oh, thank you, Lord. Like, naiyak lang ako kasi I am so blessed. I'm so blessed. And right now, I may be going through a lot. My personal life is not, basta hindi siya perfect. A lot of painful things have happened to me over the past few months, but I am here in the Taipei 101 Observatory and I'm seeing the beauty of this country. And I want a journal. I'm going to write on my journal. I want to make the most out of this time because this is not gonna be my first and last time, but this is the first time that I'm here and I'm alone and I'm actually having such a good time. I'm so thankful. I'm so grateful. Thank you, Lord. Like, thank you, Jesus, for this life, for the provision, for allowing me to experience these things. Okay, medyo hindi na ako naiiyak. But like, I'm just very grateful. I'm so grateful and life is so good. And I hope if you're watching this, I hope you experience this too. I hope you and I get to share this feeling of being so overwhelmed by the grace of God, being so overwhelmed while realizing that you are so blessed. Okay, ang perfect din pala talaga ng time ng pag-akit ko dito kasi feeling ko hindi ko siya ma-appreciate ng umaga. Kita niyo ba? Tingnan natin yung tracker. So good, right? I'll insert videos na lang. Okay, so nakasakay na ako ng bus. And I think meron pang maraming stop to actually, maraming bus stop. And again, very organized pa din yung bus system nila kasi like may mga specific na bus stop talaga. And at the same time, on time dumadating yung mga bus. I'm on my way back to the hotel and sobrang pagod ko na. Like at this point, like, gusto ko nang humiga. Tapos ang na-realize ko, ang aga ko rin pala tomorrow. Kaya I need to get home really soon. Kasi 8:30 yung call time ko. I will probably have breakfast sa 7-Eleven na lang. Yung malapit na 7-Eleven sa hotel. Or not. Hindi ko naman kailangan ng almusal. Pero I would definitely want to buy yung coffee na ininom ko kanina. Hinahanap-hanap ko siya. Good morning! It's day 2 in Taiwan. It is currently 8:16 a.m. And medyo na-late ako ng kilos. Kasi nag-send pa ako ng deliverable sa work. Although I'm on leave today, hindi ako kasi nakakapag-leave nang may iniisip. So as much as possible, tinatapos ko talaga lahat bago ako magliwaliw. Again, medyo na-late ako ng kilos. Late kasi 8:30 yung call time ko with my Klook tour. 8:17 na! Pero sabi naman dito sa map, 6 minutes lang naman nandun na ako. Again, I'm walking to get my steps in as early as now. Today, yung tour ko today is it's the starter pack. Starter pack. So ito yung mga ina-avail ng mga tourists pag pumupuntang Taiwan. So ito yung pupunta ng Yale-U. Shit, tumawid ba ako dapat? I should not have crossed. Oh my God, tanga-tanga. Yun, tapos Jifen, tapos I think, magpapalipad ako ng lantern today. Oo, basta yun yung tour na yun. Tapos, oh my God, tatawid na naman ako. Ang syunga-syunga naman. Or pwede namang doon na lang sa kabila. Okay, anyway. So sabi ko nga, diba, like, lahat ng transportation system dito, lahat ng, even the pedestrian crossing is really very organized. And disciplined yung mga tao kasi, just like now, pwede ka lang tumawid if, well, naka-on yung pedestrian crossing. Hindi ko alam kung nakita nyo, pero, basta masunurin yung mga tao dito. And I think you will get fined if lumabag ka. Which is dapat lang naman. 5 minutes na lang, nandun na ako sa pupuntahan ko. And I'm hoping na may 7-Eleven nearby. Kasi, oh my goodness, kapag wala, like, i-brave ko tong tour na to nang walang almusal. And I have no idea kung ilan oras papunta dun sa first destination namin. So medyo, alam mo yun, syempre yung magutom te. Actually, naiisip ko din mag-Uber na lang. Kaso parang medyo expensive yung Uber dito. Sa mga nakapunta na dito, ganun ba talaga yung presyo nun? Kasi, kahapon parang nag-check ako going to... Oh my God! Sana mabot ako. Pedestrian! Okay. Okay, abot. Okay, going back. Gano'n ba talaga yung Uber dito? I mean, obviously, ganun talaga kasi sa app ako nagbe-base ng prices. Pero medyo expensive siya, ha? So... Naghahanap ako from Ximending kahapon to. Naghanap ako from Ximending to Taipei 101. Maybe around 30 minutes away lang yung distance nun. Pero yung price was like 600 NTD. So like 900 pesos. So parang nagdalawang isip ako kasi nga I'm trying, 'di ba? I'm trying my best to do a budget travel for Taiwan. So, hindi ko siya naisip gawin. Hindi ko siya naisip. I mean, naisip ko siyang gawin, pero hindi ko siya tinuloy. Ang ending, nag-MRT ako. Anyway, 8:21 na. Oh my goodness. I'm just hoping na tama yung gate na mapuntahan ko. Kasi may east, west, north, south, whatever gate pa to. So medyo struggle hanapin Kasi wala sa maps yung exact na Westgate. Okay, dito na tayo sa YLU Geopark. And you will not believe what I forgot. Forgot to bring my umbrella. So I bought a new one. Pero cute naman siya. So, uuwi ako ng Pilipinas sa may dalawang payong na bago. Tingnan niyo, ang cute na ito. Cute, diba? Okay, so dito na tayo sa YLU Geopark. Ito yung itsura niya. So, dyan kami din drop off. Tapos, 10:40 daw, balik na daw kami. So, bili lang ako ng entrance ticket. Kasi hindi kasama yung entrance sa binayaran ko sa Klook. I think mura lang naman, like 100 plus lang yung entrance dito. Oh, sorry. So, dito na kami sa... Well, naglalakad na ako sa Jufen Street. Ang init pa din. So, bad trip pa din ako. Charot. They had to drop us off like a specific road. Kasi closed ata yung part ng Jufen. How do you pronounce it? Jufen? Jifen? It's very nice here. Very Baguio, I would say. Baguio na mainit. Like, look at the view. That is my view.
Almost arriving in Chinatown. Red lights are calling, I follow the sound. Shadows moving when the sun goes down. Footsteps echo, don't make a sound. Getting closer, this is Chinatown. Jungle chain, leisurely. Smoke in the air, I feel you trace. Neon reflections on your face. You pull me in then fade away. Like a ghost I couldn't chase. By so neon in Chinatown, you disappear. Right in the moment I feel you near. Your eyes on me, then nothing's clear. Neon in Chinatown, you were here. Neon in Chinatown, lost in your light. Dancing with shadows deep in the night. I try to find you, you out of sight. Neon in Chinatown, out of my life. finally, you fade in the light, then lost in the night. I'm chasing your signs, Chinatown, you're stuck in my mind. Chinatown, Chinatown, I see you, then you're gone again. Chinatown, Chinatown, only neon remains. Jungle chain, Paizo, Waylay.
Share ko lang. Nakapag-retouch na ako. Tapos, in 5 to 10 minutes, maglalakad na ako pabalik dun sa drop-off station namin. Kasi ang meeting time namin is 2 o'clock. 1:35 na. Short lang to. Pero, like, while I was eating, my old couple na tumabi sa akin, nasa next table sila. Sana hindi nila ako naiintindihan kasi tatagalog naman ako. Pero, wala, they just seem so happy. Yung older guy, si Lolo, binilan niya ng beer si Lola. Binilan niya ng beer yung para sa kanilang dalawa. Tapos nag-cheers sila, ganun. Tapos kinis niya sa noo si Lola. I wish I could take a video of them because it was such a cute moment for me. Wala, na-amaze lang ako pag nakakakita ko ng old couples who seem happy. Kasi in my life, personally, wala akong masyadong kilalang ganun. Meron man, mangilan-ngilan lang. Meron ba? Pero, wala masyado. And napapaisip ako, magkakaroon din kaya ako ng ganun? Kakaroon din kaya ako ng... Actually, you know what? Let's rephrase that. Let's reframe my mindset from now on. Someday, instead of me asking, magkakaroon ba ako ng ganun? Let me just change it to, someday, I'm sure, magkakaroon ako ng ganun. Ganon. And I'm very excited to meet God's best for me. Because I just know that we're going to be so happy. I am going to travel the world with him and our children. And I will no longer be taking pictures with my tripod because I finally have a husband who knows how to take good photos of me. As someone who is recently single, coming from a long-term relationship has given me a lot of trauma. It scares me to open up to someone again kasi I end up thinking, what if this ends in a painful way again? What if ang ending nito masasaktan na naman ako? Alam ko pangit yung mindset na niisip ko kagad yung ending, hindi pa nga nagsisimula. Pero kasi when you've been through a lot of pain, you can't really control your brain from trying to protect you and being scared of going through that again. And still, despite that, despite the fear, I have so much hope in my future and the future that I am continuously praying for. I was in a long-term relationship with someone who I loved deeply. And I have no bad blood against him. Hindi ko kayang magalit na sa kanya. Because we had a good run. And hindi ko kayang i-fuel yung sarili ko with so much hatred. Because he was a big part of my life. Siguro ngayon, it just makes me sad na I spent a lot, well, almost all the years of my 20s with someone who I did not end up with. It would have been nice to, to have started a life with someone at the age of 20 and actually grow old with that person. Pero, I think of it as an opportunity to make new memories as an adult woman with the right person for me. Kasi for sure, when I meet my man, I would be, well, I'm 28 now, so I would be 28 or 29. Sana Lord, 28. And I'd be a grown woman. That means I'd be making memories, new memories with this person as an adult lady, an adult woman. And that excites me a lot. Yung youth ko, I spent it with someone that I loved, so I don't regret it. There are times na nalulungkot ako kasi I would not be able to go back to 20, 21, 22, 23 years old. Di ko na mababalikan yun eh. That's gone. But when you really think about it, those were the years na na-build ko yung sarili ko from scratch. So it's not wasted. I was building my life back then. And kahit na I was with someone else, I still had my sense of individuality and I never lost her. It's still me. It's just that I've grown up to be this person that I am now. And I'm so much resilient. Challenges are just challenges. I used to be so sad as a teenager. Tas ngayon, kahit papaano kalmado na. Kalmado na yung puso ko. And so yun, like, wala, naisip ko lang na seeing this old couple like beside me. I really want to take a video of them, pero kasi like, we don't want to do that in another country. We don't really know if they want to be vlogged. And seeing this older couple, it's not something that I envy. Hindi siya ganun. It's something that gives me hope. So much hope. Yung dating ako kasi, like, I would usually think na, sana ako din, like, ano ba yan? Bakit ba ganito? Lord, bakit ba lagi mo akong pinapakitaan ng mga matatandang masaya kasama ang isa't isa? Yung dating ako, ganun ako mag-isip. Pero ngayon, like, I think of it as the Lord God giving me hope na someday you will have that. Maybe even better. I'd be sharing a beer with a husband who loves me so much and looks at me with so much adoration and kisses me on the forehead after opening that bottle of beer na i-share lang namin kasi ayoko talagang uminom. Wala lang, share lang. Habang naghihintay ako ng oras bago ako maglakad pabalik dun sa drop-off point, paisip lang ako. And so, yun lang. When I edit this vlog, or when I watch it in the future me, Lucy, the future Lucy, I hope you've already met the one. I hope and I pray that you are now happy, you're smiling, and you're so full of love because you're already with a person who loves you so much. I have so much hope for us. this is such a beautiful view and it's such a beautiful country. And you're solo traveling. But I hope in the near future, when you watch this video, I hope you have someone to travel with already. I hope you have that person to look at this view with. You'll go back to Jiffen Street and finally take pictures dun sa Amy's Tea House ng hindi naka-tripod. Yan lang. Share ko lang. Lalakad na ako pabalik. Taiwanese sausage. Lord, pakinggan mo yun na. I mean, basahin mo yun na. Basahin mo yung mga wish ko, Lord. Okay, so nakabalik na tayo ng hotel. Tapos, I have decided na magpapahinga na ako. Nakauwi na ako ng 6:59, so magsa-7 na. Tapos, gusto ko rin mag-journal. So, bumili lang ako ng dinner dun sa tapat namin. Actually, ilang araw ko na to kinikrave. Ilang araw? Kala mo ilang araw na nandito. 2 days ko na siyang kinikrave. Gusto ko sana siyang tikman. After dinner, I plan to take a bath and then journal. Ang sarap. Ito siya. So, di ko alam kung ano yung English name ng restaurant. But it's boneless chicken with tofu and cabbage. Tofu. Mukha siyang soaked in soy sauce. Basta soaked tofu siya. Hindi siya plain. Okay. Cabbage. Cabbage is decent. Lasang cabbage. Ano siya? Crunchy yung gulay. Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-vlog nang hindi puro mukha ako. Okay lang yun. Manood na lang kayo dyan. And I don't wanna put on so much weight just because of one trip. Pero ayoko din naman kasi maging super duper food conscious kung nasa labas ako ng bansa ako, diba? Today, I had yung coffee that I really like, which I think kept me awake for the whole day, by the way. Coffee, and then yung vermicelli with pork intestine. Masarap yun. Sausage, Taiwanese sausage, I tried. And then the enoki, yung lemon AU. Oh my gosh, and then I also had peanut ice cream roll. Tapos ito. Oh my gosh, sobrang dami kong nakain today. Grabe. Day 3 in Taiwan. And nararamdaman ko na yung post-travel sadness. Hindi pa tapos yung trip pero post-travel na kagad. Nalulungkot na ako kasi ayoko pang umuwi. Ayoko nang umuwi. Charis. Bibili lang muna ako ng coffee. Alam nyo na yan, yung favorite kong coffee. Dito sa malapit na 7-Eleven. And maybe breakfast kasi medyo nagugutom ako. Oh, it's a themed 7-Eleven. Check this out.
And we're departure on time. Thank you for that, everyone. We are in the North Hemisphere. So today, let's follow our North Star. Yes, okay. And by the way, in a moment, so how do we know that we are gases together? How about this? So later, when I say, woo-hoo, and then everyone, we are saying, woo-hoo. So we will know that we are gases together, okay? Yes, okay, so now let's try now.
Mag-hi ka sa vlog ko.
Hi, vlog.
Na may 10 subscribers. 10 subscribers. Ah, ulit to. Andito kami ngayon sa... Ano to ulit to? Bessie, what is the name of this place? You say hello to the
Okay.
vlog.
Hello everyone. Okay, this place is a He Ping Island, mean peace. It is a perfect place for everyone to come here and enjoy.
Ooh, thank you, Bessie.
Ginagaslight lang tayo. Ginagaslight na tayo.
Ang daming ganito sa atin.
Ang taas na tayo, sir.
Grabe. Kapagod tong tour na to.
Buti na lang masaya yung mga kasama.
Kaya nga eh.
Enjoy ko.
Pag walang nagsasakay na, dito talagang, ay, Bessie, mauna na ako. Uwi na ako.
So, di ba kanina sabi ko, I want to try yung I want to see the sunrise at the Elephant Mountain. Pero, na-realize ko, grabe na yung pagod ko kanina, girl. Like, hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog kasi grabe yung pagod ko talaga doon sa Instagram tour na yun. Ang tawag kasi doon sa Klook, Instagram tour. Pero, pare-pareho kami ng mga kasama kong nag-agree na hindi siya pang Instagram. Kasi like, nakaka-haggard talaga siya. Like, literally, nag-hike kami ng bundok. Para lang makita yung iisang view sa iba't ibang pavilion. Ganun yung feeling. Pero, on the bright side, super okay nung tour guide namin. Super okay din nung mga kasama ko. Like, we were just laughing together. Tapos mga Pinoy din kasi, yung mga nakasama ko sa tour. So, alam niyo naman, pag mga Pilipino nagsama-sama, like, same kami ng mga humor. Tapos, pare-pareho kaming mga nagtatravel sa ibang bansa. Kaya, enjoy. Kahit papaano yung pagod ko na nung time na for the lakad kami talaga ng over. Pawis na. Medyo napawi. Pero yun, shoutout sa mga nakasama ko sa Instagram, Klook Tour, Bessie's Family. Kung pinapanood nyo to at umabot kayo sa part na to, tunay talaga kayong mga kaibigan, Chariz. Ayun, I hope to see you soon. Sana mag-travel ulit tayo ng magkakasama. That is actually one thing that I really love about solo traveling. You get to meet a lot of people. Different types of people. Literal strangers on the way to your next destination. Kaya nakakatuwa kasi like yung mga conversations that you have with them are conversations na hindi mo kailangan i-filter. Kasi, ano ba? Nasaan ako? What the heck? Okay. Hindi mo kailangan i-filter kasi hindi mo naman sila kilala. Like, they're literally strangers, but they can turn into friends. Kaya, ayun, nakakatuwa. Kasi, I met a lot of cool people today. And, I look forward to the times na alam mo yun, marami pa akong makikilala during these travels. Thank you! Okay, so ito na siya. Para saan kaya to? Para sa buto ng manok. Pakita ko. Ito siya. Yes. Oh, yummy. Thank you.
Tissue of hair.
Yung amoy niya is parang chicken stew. Ganun lang. Hindi ko siya gusto. Oh no. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung lasa. Wait, isa pa. Isa pa ha. Ba natin ulit. Well, the good news is hindi ko siya mauubos. Meaning to say, makakakain pa ako sa Shimendi. So, it is 8:15 p.m. And on the way ako sa Ximending shopping district or shopping street ata yung tawag doon. Hindi ko alam. Marami nang sarado actually. Pero bakit ba? Hindi ako takot. Marami nang sarado kasi pretty sure maaga nagko-close yung mga establishment dito. So, ito yung itsura ng Taipei at night. Feeling ko naman nakita nyo na to. Pero ito yung mga shop sa area ko. Yan. Diba? Sabi ko nga, it's giving recto. Charis. Ayan. Ayan. Napakita ko na to. Sure ako. Pero wala lang. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung nilalakad ko. So kung napansin nyo, hindi ako masyado nag-Uber. Actually, hindi ako nag-Uber the whole trip. Hindi rin ako nag-taxi the whole trip. It was just literally the Klook tour bus, tour van, and then etong ano na to. Itong ginagawa ko, which is naglalakad. Kasi, number 1, expensive si Uber dito. And number 2, gusto ko lang practicein talaga na and number 2, gusto ko lang practicein na naglalakad and nagko-commute sa foreign countries because sabi ko nga, I want to be able to travel and experience a lot of countries in the world, if not all. So, gusto ko ma-immerse yung sarili ko dun sa culture ng kung saan man ako pupunta. And dito sa Taiwan, super duper big sila. Taiwanese people. Taiwanese pala. They're super duper used to commuting from one place to another with their train systems, their bus systems. Kasi nga, very organized naman sila. Very madali kung kabisado mo yung sistema. But again, as a foreigner, confusing siya at first. So, patawid tayo sa kabilang street now. Malapit na ako actually sa Ximending. But, I wanna drop by this store. Kung nakikita nyo yun, yung net. Wala, nakita ko lang sa TikTok yan.
Nakita ko lang sa TikTok to. Tapos, like, so kung tignan ko anong meron sa loob. Kasi, wala na, feeling ko wala na akong matinong damit. Well, meron naman, pero hindi na siya pang tomorrow. I don't know. Basta, gusto ko lang tignan. Ayan o, ang daming pumapasok sa loob. Sabi nila, good daw yung mga sale dito. So, I wanna check it out at least once before I leave Taiwan. I know, one piece, 30% off. Okay. Very, ano siya, cute. And, ito, 379. Not bad. Very, H&M. So, 299. Cute sana siya, pero yung tela kasi, very payong, te. Ito, gusto ko to. Ang pack. Gusto mo yun, lace. Actually, maraming cute. Ayun o. Cute din naman siya. Maraming... Pero ang daming payong cloth. Ano bang tawag dun? Nagpalit pala ako ng outfit. Ngayon, diba naka-t-shirt lang ako at saka Adidas na skirt. Pero ngayon, ganito ako kasi wala lang. Bakit ba? Actually, naiinitan ako. Sa mga reason kung bakit gusto kong pumasok dito. Kasi gusto kong mag-try na bumili ng something na hindi mainit. Gusto ko lang tanggalin tong suot-suot ko na na blazer. Sobrang humid ng Taiwan. I mean, sobrang humid na itong weather na napuntahan ko. Wait, how do I show you the whole thing? Okay. Nakabili na ako ng damit. Grabe yung nadala ko dito. Nadala ko sa Taiwan yung habit ko na pag ayoko yung damit ko, bigla akong bibili ng bago. So, bumili ako ng bago. Anyway, dito na ako sa may Ximending. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami magkikita dito. Pero, chat ko na lang sila, malamang. Hanap kami ng food. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna explore and update later. Ay! Ang init! Hello. Guess where I'm at. Ooh. This is darker, no? Better? Okay. Oh wait, let me show the blanket. I think this one. So, pumili na ako ng ink kasi I want a butterfly in red ink. Last day ko na today and I wanna make the most out of it by buying pasalubong, tapos mag-impake pa ako. Tapos, like, at the same time, gusto ko malapit lang sa hotel kasi medyo masama yung tiyan ko. So dito lang ako around the area. Gusto ko din tumingin sa Pop Mart. Or baka hindi na. Kasi like, naalala ko, dala-dala ko yung Skull Panda ko pero like, hindi man lang siya nakakabit sa bag ko. One more thing pa pala I'm excited about and I'm looking forward to is my upcoming trip to Vietnam. Excited na ako. That's in October. So that's in August, September. In 3 months. Excited na ako kasi that's my 3rd Southeast Asian country. And ginugol ko talaga na like, matapos yung tatlong yun. Yung big 3. Wow, big 3. Big 3 of the SEA. Kasi gusto kong mag-Japan next year. Gusto ko na magsimula dun sa mga visa required countries. Wow, nagla-level up na yan siya. Thank you. Is it spicy? No. Okay. Masarap. Sabi hindi daw spicy. Shocks. Ano sinasabi nila sa mga Japanese? Itadakimasu. Sarap. Kaya ang sarap talaga. Siguro ano ko to, top 2. Napalitan niya yung place ng Enoki.